Eamcet 2020 Agriculture and Medical Stream exam results date. So most of the students are asking me that sir when they will release agriculture and medical stream results. So in this video we will be discussing in detail regarding Eamcet 2020 Agriculture and Medical Stream results date. So make sure to watch this video completely without skipping any part, and if you are new to this channel make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. As you all people know that the counseling for Eamcet 2020 engineering stream is going on, and the first phase will be completed on 28 October 2020. So every year after completing of MPC stream counseling, then only the BPC stream counseling will be begin. So as usual, this year also BPC stream counseling will be start after completing of MPC stream counseling. And if you talk regarding the TSMSET 2020 Agriculture and Medical Stream results date, so we can expect that TSMSET 2020 Agriculture and Medical Stream results can be released after completing of first phase of MPC stream counseling. We can expect that results can be released by the end of this week or in the next week. So till then you can collect all the documents required for TSMSET 2020 counseling. You can click on I button and watch my video regarding what are the documents required for TSMSET 2020 counseling. So just click on I button and watch that video. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and if you have any doubt just comment in the comment section and hit the like button. You can also join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.